In today's video, I'm going to show you how I remove my makeup from my face, because you don't want to have any residue of makeup on your face. If you leave it, obviously it's going to lead to clogging pores on your face, and which can lead to acne on your face, and you don't want that to happen to you. And I'm also going to show you the product I also use as well, that I use for my morning routine, that I also use to remove makeup from my face to achieve a healthy and clearer skin. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So guys, the first thing I use this Garnier Skin Active to remove my makeup. You can use micellar water as well, and you can use any product from micellar water or this, anyone you want. It's just your choice to remove your makeup. And I also go in with this my cotton pad as well. You can also use this, or you can use any cotton pad to remove yours as well. So I'm just going to put a little in my cotton pad, and I'm going to start from the first side, which is this one, and you just clean it slowly. When you are doing this process, you need to be careful as well. See, look at the dirt that's coming out, the makeup dirt that is coming out. Take your time while you are cleaning your makeup. Don't rush. You can see I'm cleaning one side of it. I'm taking my time to clean off all the makeup dirt from my face. You can see how dirty it is. Look. So when you are done with the first side, you take another cotton pad to use for the other side. Then you start gently. Look, this is the other side. Just look at the two cotton pads I have used. You can see how dirty they are. So I'm just going to use the last one to just do the general cleaning up of my face. This is the last one. I don't want to leave any trace of makeup in my face. I need to clean it properly as well. I've already cleaned the first and second, so this is just the general cleanup. You can see how smooth my face is looking now. You can see there's no trace of any makeup. This is how it's looking now, looking clearer and beautiful. So the next thing I'm going to use is to use this CeraVe Blemish Control Cleanser to clean my face, and I will apply on my hand. So you use water to wash it off your face, or if you have a face wipe, you can use. So I'll go in with my face wipe. This is my face wipe. You can see how foamy it is. It's foamy. You can see, look at how dirty it is. There's still some makeup in my face. Look at it, there's still some makeup in my face. You can use the bathroom to make it easier for you. So I'll use another face wipe again. I'll use another face wipe to clean it again. Let's check it. This one is not that dirty again like the previous one. You can see it. So we are going to let our face to dry off before we use the next product. If you have fan, you can use your fan. The next thing to use now is to use this my face serum, which is the Tian B3 sauce, to apply in my face. You see how cute and beautiful it is now. My face is looking. Next thing I'm going to use now is to use the Ceramide moisturizer on my face, and just apply the one you want, the quality you want on your face. Blend it properly into your skin. And guys, you can see how my face is looking. There is no sign of makeup again. Looking all beautiful. And guys, you can see how beautiful the face is looking now. You can see how shiny it is, and I'm good to go for the normal day. Anything I'm going to do today, I'll carry this face, and during my night routine, I'll just have to wash this off my face and do my other night routine for my face. And you guys, you can see how simple it is. There's not much product to use on your face. It's just 4 products and you're good to go. You can see how my face is looking like a baby butt. So guys, I hope you'll be trying this out in your next makeup and try your possible best to make sure that you remove every trace of makeup from your face. And please do well to subscribe to this channel. If you have not subscribed at this junction, subscribe, like this channel, share it to your friends and loved ones. And if you need skincare tutorial videos, let me know in the comment section. I'll gladly do it for you guys. So guys, do well to watch my previous video as you also find them interesting. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And from me to you, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.